A dress code policy template is being discussed by the Human Rights Management Association of Jamaica amidst the increase in temperature. But as Jamila Maitland reports, even as the country prepares to celebrate 61 years of independence, how citizens' dress is still rooted in colonialism.
Cloaked in a jacket, long-sleeve shirt and tie, a security guard makes his way through Halfway Tree in St. Andrew. It's how we should dress, he said as he walked off. But is it suitable for Jamaica's climate?
Oh, the heat is on, darling. On. The father, he might rest. The son turn bad man, he might burn way out.
While some companies have instituted casual Fridays, some employees believe this heat may call for much more.
We're in summer now, the place is extremely hot, so I think we can adjust to it. Corporate place should be able to adjust to it, so we're more comfortable.
The Human Resource Management Association of Jamaica, HRMAJ, says it's working to create a dress code policy template that companies can use.
It's probably a good time. Jamaica is 61. We are now growing up, and a 61-year-old person is an adult for sure. And so as an adult nation, we probably need to look at our dress, how we dress for school and how do we dress for work, but also make sure that our fabrics are one that people are comfortable with.
Heat aside, Dave Wright of the Pan-African movement says the issue of workplace attire stems from colonization.
To see a black man in a tie with that knot around his neck, like you're celebrating the death of our ancestors and things. This is the dress we should be wearing. Michael Manley showed them, Western, we need to dress in a tropical.
The wearing of Caribas symbolized an independent Jamaica. It was made popular by former Prime Minister Michael Manley, who wore it when he met Queen Elizabeth II. Soon after, many Caribbean and African leaders followed suit with their very own version of Caribas. Proud, centenarian Vincent Wilson recounted that period.
The suit, and you can wear tie or wear tie. Some people wear tie. But your dress was quite nice too.
But he too believes it's time for a change.
Conventional suits aside, stores like Fabulous Trends have been stocking up on a wide range of options for a corporate modern world. They say women have been opting for dresses like these, sleeveless but businesslike, and also jackets like these to help people keep cool from this punishing heat.
The jacket and suit and all of that, it has its place in the boardroom, especially if you're a business that has AC. So it works, but for those who don't, I would really advise them to be more open to having your employees more relaxed in their wear. And a lot of people are coming and asking for cooler pieces, sleeveless, yes, certain types of fabric. So it's not just about, okay, you can't wear a suit, because you can wear a jacket that is cotton or linen, and those fabrics are generally cooler.
It's clothing like these that HRMAJ is hoping more companies can consider, or else Miss Walters fears climate change will soon choose for us.
Let's hope the heat it is not hotter than it is now, because if it is hotter than it is now, we clearly will have to change everything in terms of how we dress.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.